Hi, hello, welcoming all. In this lecture or in this class, we're gonna learn about the how to create the displace elements. Say, for example, when you are showcasing these projects to your client, you want to showcase some specific or the hidden areas to showcase. I mean, you want to make them understand. Then you can use the command called the displace elements. Okay, before going to the displace element, I'll make this 3D model. Okay, I'll just drag this way. This is the 3D model. I am right clicking on this and making the one more copy of this detailing, duplicate with the detailing. Okay, now I'll simply mention this as the rename. Maybe I'll mention as the display displays elements. Okay, I'll use this views. Okay, because I made a copy of the original one. Say assume I want to take this. Say I'm just selected the rooftop. I want to take this still more to the top. So how can you do that? As soon as I simply click on this, you can able to go to, if you you're in the modify tool modify option, you have the icon called the displace elements. You can just take it here. Okay, I'm just simply click on this displace element. Once if I click on this, you have the option called the XYZ direction that I can move. Before that, I'll do one thing. I'll make this as the consistency color because it's because as of now it was in the realistic, so the loading speed will get reduced. Okay, now I don't think I just take this up, so the floor has been moved to the top. Okay, now once again for this I'll go to the edit. Now whichever the element you want to take it up, say for example this one you want to take it up, I'll just simply make this. Then say for example this one, I'm just simply adding the elements which are going up. Once again this as well. Okay, then this. Okay, now entire the roof concrete as well as the side parapet, everything is gone up. Now I'm simply click on the finish. Now you can able to notice this has gone up. So now I can easily show this is the parameters which are built, which is the wall this much thickness. So he can, I mean whomever the client, they can visualize very easily if you showcase in this way. Okay, right. So now at the same time, if you want to showcase the path, see there is a one more option called the path. Say for example, if I'm just clicking on this path, it shows on which path it is being referred from the bottom. Say for example, if I'm clicking this, you can able to notice. See here. Then again you are having this option. Again you are having this as well as this corner. Maybe this. Okay. And here as well. See, now the element has been shown with the path. So at the same time you can just click on the escape. Now the one part has been completed right now. So if same as in condition, if you want to shift the same side element as well. Say for example, I'm just selecting this. Okay, now I'm just clicking on the displace elements. Now I'm just selecting on this axis, so that means red. I'm just pulling this way. Now I'll go to the edit. Now I want to add the few more elements for this. Okay, this one, then this one is done. Now you have this, and then you have this, you have this, then this one as well. I think this slab one I don't want to do this. Then I think I'll go to the add. I'll add the railing, then somewhat okay. Then if you want, you can add this. No, this is I don't want this. I remove it. I want this railing to this add. Okay. Now once it is done, now I want to finish this. Now I click on the path. Okay, this one. Okay, now at the same time, if you want, you can just create this path, this one, and then you have this corner, this. Okay, so now basically you can able to notice on the side view how it is designed, and we can easily showcase to the client. So one more I want to do is the X, Y, and as well as if you wish, you can just do the front as well. I'll do the front as well. Okay, now let me do one thing. I click on the escape. Now the display segment has been completed for these two areas. Now I want to go to the front portion. Okay, this one. I'll go to the displace. Now I need to use the command, this green. I'll take this front. Okay, now go to the edit surface. Now I want to add the different other parameters. Okay, say for example I want to add the this, then if you want the door, everything has come inside, so then say you want to add this one as well. Then if you want, you can just take this wall as well. Then if you want, you can just take this one. Okay, so the measure has come. Now if you want, you can add the railing as well to this. Now simply click on the finish. Now you go to the path and create the path from where and which reference this is being pulled from the reference. Okay, now once again if you go to the this view, okay, now I'll do this way, go here, right? Now simply click on the escape side. See here, so this is how beautifully you can easily show or you can explain to the clients, whomever you are designing. So for this is majorly the use of this command. If you want, you can just keep now in the realistic. Now realistic time, I mean the view is going to take a time because the materials which are loaded into the project which makes some heavier to the view. See here, right? So these are the major concepts I want to showcase in this class. So you can use this, I mean you can explore these kinds of features in your web, I mean your the projects, and you will understand much, and same can be applied when you're showcasing these projects to your client. Hope you understood the concept. Let's catch up in the next module.